Hi there, Phil from parkerlings.com. I hope you're well today. Now today's video is all about making guacamole. Now this is a recipe that I've followed for quite some time, but admittedly I do change little bits here and there just so I get exactly what I want at the time. So sometimes a little more lemon juice, sometimes a bit more of this, a bit more of that. But I do hope that you try it, and you can always feel free to change things around yourself to your taste. So let's get on with this then. Here's how I make my guacamole. Well, that's a nice easy process for you. We've just left it in the fridge overnight to season through with that coriander and the cayenne pepper, and this is what we get. So there you go, looking absolutely gorgeous, lovely green colour, and some nice lime corn chips to go with it. So you see what it's like? Absolutely beautiful. Definitely, please do try this. You will not regret it. You can make it a bit warmer if you want. Put a little bit more cayenne pepper in there if you like, or maybe just a titch of chili. Otherwise, you can leave it out if you wish. Same with coriander or cilantro. Not everyone likes it, so feel free, if you want to leave it out, do so. It will still taste rather lovely. So that's the end of this video, and with that I'm going to have a little bit more, and I'm going to say goodbye and God bless, and tasty tasty. Oh God, this stuff's good.